YouTube, we are back with another video. We're going to be showing us how to make slime, and we're doing a competition. And we're going to tell you guys the 4 easy steps. First, let's open it. Okay, so it does come with the powdered activator, so we have to add it in the water. So that's why we have cups. And this is our mixing bowls. So now she's currently taking it all out. And we're gonna show you what it comes with. It comes with colors, glitters, confetti, and it comes with snow that you make with water, like fake snow. And you add it in the slime and it makes it so satisfying. And then it comes with clear and white glue. We got this at Walmart for $9. And yeah, we're just gonna show you guys how to make it and just try to see who can make a better slime. So I plan on making regular slime. She plans on making cloud slime. So yeah. Let's just see. Already open. So step 1, don't do it that crazy. You might need scissors. Tell them step 1. Step 1 is you figure out what kind of glue you want to use. What glue do you want to use? Gonna use regular today. I'm going to use clear. I'm gonna try to make like a jelly looking slime mixer. And let's just see. Here are all the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. We're not pro slime makers, okay? Then it comes with like these little cute little containers. And then so this, I'm gonna show you guys all the glitters it comes with. So it comes with the this holographic glitter. It comes with the blue glitter. It comes with the bigger like confetti glitters. Like that one was a pink, gold, and purple and blue confetti one. And then this is a gold and silver one, pink glitter. And then this one just comes with pink, purple, and silver glitter. These are all the things that make this one crunchy. They have like these clear balls. There's like these little confetti thingies. And then there's these pink, purple, and white confetti. Ready to use snow. Okay. I don't know what these are for. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. I don't know what those ones are for, but yeah. So this is the instant snow that she's going to be using. And then this is the stuff to make the activator. Okay, I'm going to make the activator first. Let's see how much I need. And step 2. I like to make slime with, I add the activator slowly. So when I'm mixing the glue with the stick, I add it slowly and then I fill it and then I keep adding it until I like the consistency that I want. I'm adding the glue right now. So now I'm going to make the activator. I'm going to figure out how to make this pestle. Now we're going to put it in here, in this measuring cup. Okay. So we're going to see how much activator we're going to actually need in this measuring cup. And then I'm going to figure out how to make the instant snow. So now I'm adding. I'm going to see what color I'm going to do. I'm adding until I feel like light's perfect activator. So I'm going to do light. And I think I'm going to make the best. So now we're moving on to the 4 steps. We already have the glue in the bowl. Now we're going to be adding the color. So I'm going to do light blue. What should I do, guys? Should I make like a turquoise color or should I do like a pink? Let me think about that. Let me see what glitters there are, guys. Okay, so now I think I want to do maybe a unicorn kind of looking slime. So I think I'm gonna do like purplish, pinkish. Or should I do like a turquoise? I don't know. I'm trying to think. What kind of color are you doing? Like a blue? Like a light blue, yeah. And then I'm gonna do instant snow. I'm adding instant snow. Okay, guys? Yeah. And still thinking about this color. I cannot. Okay. I think I want to do an orange slime. I think I've never seen nobody with an orange slime. So then we have all these colors. It's rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I think I'm going to go with the green. You'll see how confusing I am, guys.
I'm gonna do the Insta Snow, okay?
Okay, go ahead. So I think I want to do
Instant Snow, guys. It's Instant Snow. I'm gonna make Instant Snow.
Okay, I think I want to do a red. I'm gonna do a red. I'm gonna do a red.
How much water do I need?
Huh? No, you put it. You wait. You have to make the slime first, and then do that.
No.
You guys, she does not know this.
No?
This
What?
is funny.
What? I have to wait. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'm gonna add the activator now. You have to do it slowly.
So now that I just added red, now that I know I'm doing red. So I am mixing it right now. Currently, I'm gonna take it up and show you guys because I did not show it closely. But I am mixing it right now in the bowl. You guys can see that it's literally almost matching the bowl. But yes, this is what I'm.
Mine is already coming together. Look, guys.
Did you add the activator?
Yeah, I did.
She added activator already. So, like the step that I said was to add it slowly to see the consistency you want. And that's what I'm going to do. I don't know what step she did, but
I'm doing it slowly. I only added a little tiny bit.
Okay, so right now, you guys see me adding this color red. It's like really a pretty red. Like, that's so pretty to me. It looks like a nail polish. Yeah.
Add the activator now.
So now I'm going to maybe add the activator now. And I'm gonna see if I'm a better slime maker than her.
No.
So I'm adding it slowly. Added a little tiny bit. Oh my god, it's coming together already, guys. And when your slime is like a little hard, you can add lotion, or you can add maybe like a gel or a.
This is the messy part, guys.
Yeah, this is the messy part. But anyways, like I was saying before, you can add like a gel, lotion, baby oil, or really anything that is gonna make your slime soft. But
Yeah.
it is really hard to mix slime.
Very.
That's what I'm doing right now. And it's
Super
actually coming
sticky.
together. It's like so sticky. But like I was saying before, you always want to do the activator slow. So then once you're mixing and you want the consistency that you want, then you'll know what consistency you want.
Obviously, you have to do it with your hands soon.
I know. Okay, so right now I'm going to do it with my hands, and I'm kind of scared because I think I added too much, but I am just kneading it.
I like the color of this.
And when you're mixing the activator in it, you're going you mess with it and knead it like how I'm doing right now.
Yeah, like I'm doing.
Mine's a little hard, but I could get through that. You know, it happens.
I thought you were the best slime maker.
I think I added a little too much because I didn't know like if it would like
Super
really
sticky.
be a lot, and then once I poured it, I noticed it was a little too much. But yeah, right now I'm just playing with it. Can you put a little bit of glue in here? Oh yeah, and then when you have like more glue, you can add it in it and makes it softer. So let me for yours.
That you're the best slime maker. Nope, it's too late. You change it.
I'm gonna add lotion still.
But mine is the best. Look at how easy it falls, guys.
That's so cool. So now she's gonna make the instant snow in that bowl right there. And the other cup right there has water in it.
Yeah,
So she's gonna pour the instant snow in there, and then the instant snow is gonna fluff up, and we're gonna show you guys how it fluffs up. So right now I'm about to go get some lotion because I think I should go get some.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna take over for a little bit. So, tips on how to not make it so hard. She said she's the best slime maker. She's not. Do not add a lot of activator like she did, or that amount of glue. She added too much glue. Like, I added less than her, and mine's is bigger. Hers is smaller.
Clear glue, once clear glue, like, I feel like it shrinks. Like, it looks a lot in the bowl, but once you, like,
Look at how
put
crunchy that.
activator in it, it makes it, like, smaller. Like, when it's all mixed, I feel like it's smaller than it usually you want it to look. So, right now, it is becoming really softer. So, right now, I'm kneading
Okay.
it.
So now I'm
I'm
gonna
just
go
going to wait till.
try to go rinse this off because I need to make the instant snow so I can make cloud slime. Okay, guys. So you could take over for a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Don't sabotage my slime.
Okay, so right now I'm going just kneading and it's
Be
becoming
back,
really
guys.
softer, as you guys see.
Should I make more?
Should I make more? I think I'm gonna go make more. You guys think? Okay. Should I? Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so what foam and glitter should I use that would match with this red? Should I do like a yeah, I don't know yet, guys. I'm still thinking. So right now I'm just kneading it and it's becoming really, really better, and it's a very pretty color. I was not expecting this color. I thought it was gonna be like a darker red. But right now I'm just waiting for my sisters to come back. And I should achieve it, but it's okay. Okay. So, like I was saying, like I was saying, I don't know what glitter I should do, but I think I should add more lotion.
First, do we add the water or the instant snow? First, do we add the water or the instant snow?
First, you're gonna put the instant snow in it.
Really?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah. If you want to use all of it, it's your choice. So right now she's going to be making the instant snow, and this is going to be very cool, guys. Here, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in.
Okay, hurry up.
Here you guys go. Let's just watch the magic. You guys see it fluffing up? So she didn't pour the water exactly on the instant snow, but it is becoming like a
My
snow
God.
white. You guys see that?
Oh my God.
Very fluffy.
See, look, it came out as a powder first.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh, and oh my God.
Now that my slime is way better.
Damn, look.
My slime is so much better. Oh my God,
Sissy,
that's
look.
so cool. Okay, so right now,
I'm
just
gonna be
going to
adding
be
it.
playing with it.
Even though I'm
And I
scared
think I just want to add white foam beads and maybe some glitter.
Okay,
That will match.
pick up my
I
slime.
think I should do like a 49 bullet because my dad's favorite game. I mean, football team is 49ers, and he said whoever makes the best slime wins.
Okay.
So right now I'm just playing with it.
I'm gonna add it.
Going to get the glitter. Let's see. And once you mix it, it becomes like this really
Cloudy.
cloudy
That's why it's called
feeling.
cloud slime.
That's why it's called cloud slime. That's why people call it cloud slime, because they believe it feels like clouds, and there's no such feeling as clouds. Nobody felt a cloud before. But it like looks like clouds when you're done mixing it. So that's what she's doing right now, and I'm just playing with it and kneading it more because there is a little bit of lotion left.
Okay, this is
I'm just
nice.
playing with it. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more because it's not stretchier than I thought it would be. So I'm just going to add more real quick, guys. See you in a minute.
I'm gonna take over for a little bit. But guys, that came snow so fast. Like it's not really snow because it's not cold. It's not snow because it's not like freezing. Like you could touch it without it giving you frostbite. Okay. So now, look at guys.
I added more lotion, and right now I'm just mixing and mixing. And sometimes when kids add too much lotion in their slime, you're just gonna add more activator. It really helps it. And like, guys, look, and it's that's so cool.
It's so messy though.
It is. It gets messy when you're not when it's not done being kneaded. So right now, you guys can clearly see my slime is so stretchy.
Super.
You guys see that?
See?
So
Make two
once
slimes.
your slime is like really like sticky, you can add even more activator, just a tiny bit though. So like I made a mistake earlier and I did add too much, so that's why I had to add lotion.
Yeah, I thought you made the best slime. I think mine's
So
gonna
mine
be
is
the best.
becoming
Mine's gonna be
slime.
the best.
So
It's
right now,
cloudy.
I'm just playing with it until it gets a little
Same guys.
not sticky. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. You guys have
I
to
was
take the
listening.
steps. No, it's better to show don't mess up. When you mess up, this is what I'm doing, so I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it.
Don't worry guys, I'm gonna get it off.
So right now, I'm just going to put it on the table. I'm gonna put it in the bowl because it is sticky.
and I'm going to place it in there. It is sticky. Sorry, guys. But now I'm just going to put like not a lot like I did before. I think I poured too much, so I'm gonna show you guys like once your slime is like sticky lotion, you want to get it to that step so then it can become regular slime. Because the sticky that after you get it hard, then you're gonna want to add more activator. So then you could it can become like way more better slime. So I did make a mistake by adding too much. But as you guys can see, I'm fixing my mistake. And right now, I'm just going to add the slime. So right now, I'm going to add the glitter because like my dad likes the thing, the 49ers, so I'm going to make my slime 49er thing. And she made a mess, so yeah. At least I didn't make a mess. Mine's not. It's because it's a cloud. Here, you need this? No, I don't. No, don't add that. Okay. So it is because like this is like the consistency I want. And the consistency is like soft and stretchy and like you can make bubbles with it. So I think, should I add, it looks like a pink kind of slime. Do you guys think I should add more? Like more what? Red? Or should I just leave it like this? Okay, and I think I'll do that. No, this is messy. I need somewhere to put this. Should have had 2 containers. So now I'm just going to add these glitters into it. I'm just going to place it on my hand and I'm just going to add glitter. This is so messy. Sorry guys, I'll get that off. But right now I'm just going to mix it. The glitter is like in the slime, I feel like it makes it more like really fun to play with more because it's like crunchy and it's like you can feel like the little specks of glitters. You might have accents. But right now I'm just going to pick up the glitters and actually spill with the slime. Now I have to pick up all these snow pieces. Yeah, she actually made a mess, but it happens. Okay. So right now I'm just going to get all the glitters. There is like water on the table. I don't know why. I think it's because activator. But yeah, so it comes with all this stuff. So I don't know what my sister's going to do, but like, look guys, it's like really super. Oh my god, it's like string cheese, but you get to play with it, not eat it. Yeah, never eat slime. But yeah, guys, look. Ready? It's like kinetic sand with slime and all. Yeah. You guys should comment down below if you want us to do like an ASMR video. Like and subscribe. But now my dad is going to see what slime he likes better. He does not like to touch slime. But I feel like I did a very great job. Wait. Let me add some glitters. No, I can't even add glitters to it. No, that's not cheap. Dad, come see who slime's the best.
Alright. What y'all got going on over here? What up, YouTube?
Just let you know, I made my 49er thing.
Okay, let me see what we got. What you guys got here? What's going on? Oh, wow. That looks freaking pretty awesome. Whoa. Boy. Oh, my goodness.
My dad does not like slime. He does not like this.
Look at how cool mine looks.
That does look
Mine's
cool.
better.
Let me see that one. What you got going on over here? Oh, it has like a 49er stuff, baby. Okay. Let me see. Oh my god. So the difference between these two is this stuff sticks here way more.
No,
than
it
that.
doesn't stick to my hand. Look. Your hand must just be warm
Okay.
or hot.
You guys see how good that looks?
No, mine's is better. Comment who won, guys.
Comment who won.
I did.
I wanted to do this last time, but I feel like I did very good with this. And I want you guys to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Hit that bell.
Bye, guys. Thank you. Comment who won. I won.
Just to let you know,
I won.
my dad does not. I don't want to let you guys know. But once we reach 250, he's gonna get like the biggest giveaway.
Ever. Okay,
Well,
guys.
not ever, but like not that big. But it's big. It's big. But like,
Bye,
just to let you guys know. Bye, like, and comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.